All right, so a little presentation on what to know about buying a condo. Now, I do want to mention I am going to do longer presentations on condos just because there's so many changes surrounding condos, especially here in California. But let's go through this just it's a couple of slides. And definitely, if you want to find a more scheduled time, visit the link below, and we'll make sure to get a scheduled call with you to discuss opportunities there in the condo market. So here's our agenda today. We're going to go through an introduction, sharing condo ownership, HOA fees, common condo rules, restrictions, financing condo purchase, resale potential property value, and insurance considerations. So purchasing condos is an exciting milestone for first-time homebuyers or seasoned investors because condos come with unique rules, financial considerations, and lifestyle impacts, right? This is really built to help you make informed decisions that will be aligned with your goals. So understanding condo ownership. What's different about condos? You own your unit, share ownership of building or common areas. We do see things like pools or gyms come with shared maintenance responsibilities, and it is shared ownership and community living. So you have an HOA, manages common areas and enforce rules, and there's balance personal preferences with community needs. So condo fees, they cover maintenance of common areas. There could be things like if there's an outdoor grill area, as we see in this photo here in the city, right? There could be a rooftop grill area, pools, tennis courts, and fees vary by condo size, location, and what they actually have. So HOA dues are separate from the mortgage payment, and they often require upfront payments at closing when you buy a condo. So common condo rules and restrictions would be pets, limits on size, breed, or total. Can't have them, right? Rentals, restrictions on short-term rentals like Airbnb, renovations, limits interior changes like flooring and remodeling. And then you have to review the HOA rules to ensure they align with your lifestyle. I want to do that usually before the purchase. Key differences from single-family homes. Lenders see condos as high risk, especially with high renter ratios. HOAs, financial stability impacts the loan approval. A securing loan is really a two-step process, buyer approval and community approval. Factors under the renter ratio, HOAs, financial health and billing condition, lower down payments and slightly higher interest rates may at time apply. Now, condo transfer fees cover administrative costs during the sale and are added also part of your closing costs. Now, resale and potential property value, location's key. Proximity to work, transportation, those sorts of things could drive that resale value. So you want to assess future resale value by looking at building condition, location, HOA financial health, and local development. So research the neighborhood and zoning changes that may be affecting in your area as well. We'll have your agent help with that. We could help with that, right? Let us know. So insurance considerations with condos, you do get an HO6 policy, which covers the interior, any upgrades, appliances, personal items, and the property itself. HOA master policy covers the building structure, common areas, and then there are times for coverage gaps. But keep in mind, sometimes the HOA master policy covers inside the property as well. So you don't need an HO6. So it's important to take a look at that, right? So here's some final thoughts. Research HOA, building financial health and resale potential when you buy if there's a common area or a condo, right? Even with townhomes, I recommend doing this. Factor in HOA fees, insurance, and financing options. Ensure the condo aligns with your long-term goals.